Can white vinegar be used to remove dandruff from hair?
Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into an interesting topic. Can we use white vinegar to remove dandruff from hair? This question might seem a bit unusual, but as we explore, you'll find out that white vinegar can indeed be a simple, effective, and affordable solution.
What causes dandruff?
Before we explore the solution, let's briefly understand the problem. Dandruff is a common scalp condition marked by white flakes in your hair. It's caused by a variety of factors like dry skin, sensitivity to hair products, and the overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus called malassezia.
Why white vinegar?
Now onto the main question. Why use white vinegar for dandruff? Vinegar, specifically its acetic acid component, has several properties that can help combat dandruff. It's antimicrobial, which means it can kill the fungus causing the flakiness. Plus, it's acidic, which can help balance your scalp's pH level, preventing the overgrowth of the fungus. Furthermore, vinegar can help soothe an itchy scalp and remove dead skin cells.
How to use white vinegar for dandruff?
So, how exactly do you use white vinegar to remove dandruff? It's quite simple. 1. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. 2. Spray this solution directly onto your scalp, making sure to avoid the eye area. 3. Massage it into your scalp for a couple of minutes and then let it sit for about 15 minutes. 4. Afterward, rinse it off using a mild shampoo. You can repeat this process once or twice a week.
Precautions to take.
While using white vinegar is generally safe, there are a few precautions you need to take. Always dilute the vinegar with water before application. Pure vinegar is highly acidic and can cause skin irritation. Don't use vinegar if you have an open wound or severe scalp condition. The acidic nature of vinegar can cause burning sensations or further irritation. If you're not sure about your skin's sensitivity, do a patch test first by applying a little bit of the diluted vinegar to a small part of your scalp or skin. So there you have it. You can use white vinegar as a potential dandruff solution. It's a simple, cost-effective remedy that's worth a try if you're struggling with dandruff. However, if your dandruff persists or worsens after a few weeks of this DIY treatment, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional. I hope you found this information useful and wish you the best of luck on your journey to a flake-free scalp. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.